All right, what's up everybody? This is Moccasin Driver. I'm here with a 1998 Volkswagen Jetta. This belongs to Dane. Can you tell me a little bit about the car here?
Hey, how you doing there? Yeah, it's a 98 Volkswagen Jetta GLX. Started out as a project, just wanted to keep it naturally aspirated at first, but started doing some looking into YouTube and saw what a monster these could be with a turbo. So I decided to do a little turbo upgrade on it after a few years later.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, I got an ATP turbo kit on there. GT45 Turbo. Comes down the piping down around to a big front mount. Upgraded the front mount. Intercooler on it. Upgraded to different software so that we could utilize bigger injectors. So now it's got 660 Siemens in it, and so we've also got the 4-inch mass airflow sensor.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And air filter, and then the full 3-inch turbo back exhaust on it, so free flowing.
Thing's a beast. And you've had this car for how long?
Oh, I think I probably picked it up in 2003 or 5, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Check out the interior. It's got the gauges in here, boost gauge, voltage. Nice bucket seats here. This will be cool to check out this 2.8 usually.
Yep, 2.8, 12 valve VR6 motor in these.
Oh yeah. And you did all this work yourself?
Yep.
Oh yeah, man. How'd you do the tune and everything?
The tune is actually a chip, so for this one it's pre-programmed, so I had to be sent out, and I got the computer.
Okay.
Just stick the chip in there instead of some of the newer ones you can flash yourself and stuff like that,
really?
of course. But yeah, this one being the 98.
Okay.
Just stick a chip in there. Other than that, you got to go standalone. So that's probably what I'm looking to later. But
hell yeah. What do you think she's running on power, if you had to guess?
Well, that's all predicated on the boost that's being ran. But with that tune, it can be ran anywhere in the upper 20s, so like 28 to 32 range, depending on where you lean out.
Oh, really?
So around that range, a lot of dyno numbers are coming in around 500.
Holy shit.
So usually I don't run it that high. Obviously, I'm running daily around 13 to 15 pounds of boost.
That's good. Conservative.
So,
keep it reliable.
Don't want to be blowing up motors, so we need to put one in there. So
that sounds good to me.
But yeah, anywhere from 300 to 400, good estimate. Damn. Just going the low side, but obviously capable of much more. At the full range of 30 pounds of boost, they become a monster at that point.
That's fantastic. All right, let's jump in it and check it out. All right, let's try it out. Do you have a different clutch or anything in it?
Yeah, it's a Spec 3 racing clutch. And then not sure how it handles compared to the clutch in yours. It's a little touchy.
Oh yeah.
But
it's got to handle that power.
Yeah.
How high do you usually rev it? Like if you're driving it spiritedly?
Yeah, it will usually shift to like 6,500. Nice. Red line's like up to 7,300 with that, but I don't like to weight shift lane, so I usually shift like between 65 and 68.
That's good. Trying to get a feel for the car first before I start doing it. Oh yeah. It's pretty nice out. Some sunshine.
that's a good road to see how it handles. I just did some suspension work to it actually with my friend the other day.
Do you have any different brake pads or any brake work done?
Yeah, in the front we got power stop, cross drilled slotted rotors.
Oh, really?
Got a set for the back. I haven't put them on there yet. Got them set in the garage. Matching set. Right there. Probably hit the oil pan if we hit through there.
I gotta be
that was
careful.
a nice rip there. I've done that before. That's
really?
all I know about that one pretty much. My pipe hang's pretty low right there. So I usually have to go on the other side of the road right there.
If you're going fast?
Yeah, if you're going anywhere above like 45.
Oh, really?
It'll
Okay.
pretty much smack right through there in most cars. Found myself in the oncoming traffic lane the other day because I forgot I was going through there a little bit faster. It sits a little low.
Have you had it lowered?
No, I'd prefer to have coilovers so I can lift it up a little bit and get my tires tucked out and not have to worry about that so much. It's like when this truck's getting over. Not too bad.
It always gives you a sick feeling if you like hit something, you know. I guess we're behind this truck. She definitely gets it. Runs smooth too.
Thanks.
I miss the turbo. Like my Evo 10. I kind of want to get another Evo eventually.
Yeah, I like that.
Just the drama and the excitement from it.
Oh, yeah. Just didn't want it in your range of view.
All right. Yeah, plug her in.
Testing. System ready.
Getting a little more comfortable with the car now. Fun, it sounds good.
Yeah, when it hits full boost, that's when you hear that exhaust open up.
Yeah.
It's got an open dump tube on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it makes it sound even nastier.
Yeah. Volkswagens are dope.
Yeah, these 12-valve VR6s got their own unique sound, you know, for sure. That's what first drew me to them when I first drove one back in the day.
on doing any future upgrades to this?
Yep, there's always a list.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely need to build a race motor for it. Actually, for a backup, then have that one.
Yeah.
All sorts of stuff though. All sorts of little stuff. Rebuild the head. That can be done.
Yeah, that's sweet, dude. I love how involved you are.
Needs
I
a
need
new
it.
clutch. Identify that little off-season work. Check out the rear main. Might be pulling the trans out. Inspect that. Maybe throw a new clutch in. See what's going on with that little squeal. Yeah, I think we were running probably around 13, 14 psi, and it's capable of around 30. So we were at less than half power throughout that.
Yeah. I bet it's scary fast when you have it full power.
Yeah, I've had it up around. Well, actually, I had where the line was cut. The vacuum line that controlled the blow-off valve in the wastegate. So it did. At one time, I was driving and it was up over like 35 or 38 pounds of boost when I looked over, and it was like, holy crap, this thing's going faster than I've ever noticed it ever before. And I was like, man, what's going on? I looked up and it was like hitting the red, and I was like, whoa, shite.
Oh, damn.
So yeah, just only time it was really pulling though was throwing me back in my seat that day for sure.
Yeah, she's a beast. And then the car's name is what?
Agnes.
Agnes? All right. I'm glad to have met Agnes. Beautiful car. Thank you very much for letting me drive her.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I love that noise too. What's that from?
Yeah, that's what they had on these generations, all the Volkswagens.
Oh, really?
It's like, just like your warning door open
Hell
alert.
yeah. I love that.
Yep.
Usually let it run because it's a turbo.
Yep. Usually like do an after run, make sure the oil is everything cooled down through the system.
Well, there she is, folks. Thanks for watching. Come back for another video soon.